and my antenna is a 4 element Yagi beam beaming to your direction, only 12 meters above the ground, and my power is 1,200 whiskey from output. QSL, Tulio?
Oh yes, 1,200. Very, very strong, Mr. Jarek. No problem, okay? Very, very beautiful signal in Brazil. I buy 5 by 20 by 9. Very, very good. Okay, Jarek, no problem. My look condition this moment is a Ranger, okay, 2950, and the Young by 3 element. Okay, 30 whiskey this moment. 30 whiskey this moment for you, okay, Jarek? My no problem, okay? My Transave is a little Ranger 2950, okay, my brother? 7351 for you, Jarek. Good signal in Brazil, okay?
Yeah, okay, Mr. Tulio, 100%. Very congratulations from the working condition. Very good transceiver. A very, very popular transceiver from 11 meters. Okay, Mr. Tulio, 70, thank you from Sympathetic USO. The 73 fish one for you, 88 for you and your family. A good luck, BBS, good weekend. From Poland this moment, this night. Thank you, bye-bye, Mr. Tulio. Treat Delta Alpha 031, the 16180 104, Jarek. Thank you, bye-bye, ciao.
Okay, Jarek, 013, okay? 013, okay?